Hi, this is Amy from Be Well Clinic, and today I want to take you along on the first part of my garden journey for the year. This year I really want to bring you along all the different steps that I do to get my garden ready and out and harvested and stored for the winter. So we're going to do lots of these videos, keep looking for them, but here's the first one. January, it's way too early to start seeds. But it's not. There are many things that need to be started mid-February, potentially early February, depending on when your frost date is. So you do want to start planning soon, and it's also exciting to plan. It reminds me that I'm going to get outside and get outdoors and be in my garden, and helps me to look forward to warmer weather. So here are the things that you need to start planning. I need a few tools. I have a little bit of graph paper that has the basic approximate drawings of my yard out front and the different spaces I'm planting in. I have a seed catalog that contains heirloom seeds, so if I need to order some new ones, I have it. I have my current seeds, which we're going to take a look at that basket in detail in a second, and I have just paper. I also use an app on my phone that is a Moon and Garden app that I found for free that talks about when to best plant, transplant, and harvest things based on different categories, which is why my basket is labeled the way it is. So we're going to look at that in a second, and then we're going to start using the different tools. All right, so here is my seed basket. And according to that app, I have separated the different categories: root, leaf, flower, and fruit. I also labeled a lot of these with an out or an in, so that I knew which ones needed to be planted inside and which ones should be planted outside. Roots you never plant inside, those are always in the ground directly, so that's why that doesn't have it. So then I can go through and pick out, okay, I'm going to plan out my leaves, so then I'll look at all my herbs here. So I have my sage, cilantro, basil, and I can pull out of that section when I go to need to plant it, when it's time, when my calendar tells me it's time to plant it, I can go and grab the leaf bundle and then put those in the ground or put them in the seed trays. So I love this way of organizing. It's super, super helpful, and it also shows me exactly what I have, so I don't have to worry about whether I should order it or not, because I know if I have it or not. Okay, so now that we know and we have all our tools gathered, what are we going to do? There's 3 things that we need to plan. First, we need to plan what we want to plant. We need to plan when we need to plant it, meaning are we starting it inside and when to start it? Are we starting it outside and when to plant it? And then we're also going to see where to plant it. I tend to be more loose and fast with the where, but I do have a bit of a plan because that's helpful. I am really looking forward to learning even more this year about pairing different plants. Like we know that planting tomatoes is really good with dill because it helps keep the tomato worms away. So there's lots of pairings like that, and I only know a few. And this year I'm really excited to learn more of those. The other thing I really want to do this year is expand my herb garden or pottinger garden, which is a garden that's going to be full of plants that come up every year. So hopefully once I get it going, I will mostly have to only maintain it and have a lot of herbs in one area of my yard that will be that garden. Okay, so we have what we want to eat, when we need to plant it, and where we want to plant it, and that's all we've got to do. So we'll just dive into those tools here, and then you can get started on your own garden.